Good morning, students. So in my previous video we discussed about the chapter electricity. So let us recall first what is electricity. So electricity is the flow of electrons around a closed circuit. It was discovered by William Gilbert. It is a motion of electrons. Conductors, insulators, electric charges. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. What is current? Current is the flow of electrons. So then how can we express current? Current is equal to charge upon time, I equal to Q upon T. Then next is potential and potential difference. It is the capability of a charge to move a unit positive charge from one point to another. It is equals to work done upon charge. Its unit was volt and it is measured by voltmeter. It is important for the flow to make the flow of current in the circuit. Electric circuit, various symbols used. Now we will discuss about voltmeter. What is voltmeter? Voltmeter is a device that is used to measure the potential difference across the 2 points. It is a device that measures the potential difference across the ends of any conducting material. It is connected always in parallel to the ends of conducting material. It has a high resistance. So very high resistance it have. Next is ammeter. Ammeter is a device that measures the current flowing through any conducting material. So for voltage or potential we use a voltmeter, and for current we use ammeter. Voltmeter is connected in parallel, ammeter is connected in series. As we know, in parallel potential remains same, so voltmeter is used in parallel. Ammeter is always used in series. It has very low resistance, so more and more current accurately can be measured. Let's start with Ohm's law today. What is Ohm's law? It states that current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. So more the potential difference, more will be the current between its ends, provided all the physical conditions remain constant. So we can say, if suppose voltage is a 10 volt, so current is a suppose A ampere or B ampere. So for 10 volt, if current is A ampere, suppose value of A is 10. So for 10 volt, if current is 10 ampere, if you increase the potential to 20, the current will also be 20 ampere. They are directly proportional. So if you increase the potential difference, the current will also increase. Or you may write V upon I equals to constant, and then the constant of proportionality is called resistance. It is denoted by capital R. Here the constant R stands for resistance for a given conductor wire at a given temperature. So I use this word resistance for ammeter as well as for voltmeter also. So we will discuss about it. Resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of electrons through it. So it is inherent property of a material to resist the flow of electrons or flow of current through it. As we know, flow of electrons is called current. So we may directly say it is the property of conductor to resist. Resist होता है रोकना. तो अपने आप में से करंट के फ्लो को रोकने की जो प्रॉपर्टी है, हर मटेरियल कोशिश करता है कि उसमें करंट फ्लो ना करे, रेजिस्ट करता है इस चीज को. तो that property due to which a conductor resists the flow of electrons through it is called resistance. According to Ohm's law, R equals to V upon I. What is the SI unit of resistance? That is ohm. If a potential difference around the two ends of a wire is V, the current flowing through the wire is 1 ampere. So if we take voltage as 1 volt and current as 1 ampere, so 1 by 1 will be 1. So resistance automatically will be 1 ohm. So it is the definition of a 1 ohm. The potential difference around the two ends of a wire is 1 volt and the current flowing through the wire is 1 ampere. Then the resistance of wire is said to be 1 ohm. So ohm is the unit that we use to measure the resistance. Hopefully you have understood the concept Ohm's law, derivation and resistance, its units. So go through the topic. If you still have any doubt, you may ask me personally or you may comment in comment section also. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.